Sleek, powerful, exotic. Supercars are the ultimate symbol of speed and luxury. But behind the polished exteriors and exhilarating speed lies a dark and shocking reality that car enthusiasts rarely talk about. Stick around because what you're about to learn may forever change how you see these machines. From hidden environmental costs to jaw-dropping maintenance nightmares, the truth about supercars is far from glamorous. And wait until you hear how these machines can turn from dream to disaster in the blink of an eye. For decades, supercars have been the crown jewels of the automotive world, capturing our imaginations and fueling our dreams. With names like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Bugatti, they promise speed, style, and status. Owning one is often seen as the pinnacle of success. But what does it really take to own one of these beasts? Well, here's the first shocker: supercar ownership is not just about the thrill of driving. It's about enduring a world of challenges most people never see coming. Let's talk numbers. Buying a supercar isn't just about the 6- or 7-figure price tag, it's the hidden costs that'll leave your wallet gasping for air. Regular maintenance? That's tens of thousands of dollars a year. A single set of tires? Easily $5,000 or more. And let's not forget insurance premiums that rival the cost of an average family car. Think you're done after buying the car? Think again. Exotic materials and rare components mean even minor repairs can cost a fortune. And here's the kicker: depreciation can be brutal, turning your dream investment into a financial nightmare. Then there's the environmental impact. Supercars are infamous gas guzzlers, with some models chugging fuel at an astonishing rate of under 10 miles per gallon. Their manufacturing processes? They're anything but eco-friendly, relying heavily on energy-intensive materials like carbon fiber and titanium. While electric supercars are starting to make waves, the majority of these machines leave a hefty carbon footprint. So the next time you see a supercar roaring down the street, remember the hidden environmental cost that comes with that adrenaline rush? Supercars may be built for speed, but the reality of driving one is often anything but fast. Most are ill-suited for everyday roads, with low ground clearance, limited visibility, and stiff suspensions that turn city streets into a nightmare. And when it comes to safety, high-speed crashes involving supercars are often devastating, with lives and fortunes lost in an instant. Even for skilled drivers, handling these machines requires constant vigilance. One wrong move and the consequences can be catastrophic. So is the dream worth the cost? For some, the answer will always be yes. But for many, the allure of supercars fades once the hidden truths come to light. They're not just toys, they're financial, environmental, and even emotional burdens that demand more than most are prepared to give. The next time you find yourself dreaming of a roaring engine and an open road, ask yourself, do you want the dream, or are you prepared for the reality? Either way, it's a journey worth understanding before you take the wheel. Subscribe for more eye-opening stories, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.